What's up, guys? Welcome to Getting Fish. Today we're gonna go fishing. We're gonna take my boat out. It's December. It's a couple days after Christmas. We're gonna catch some fish today. We gotta have to drag the boat to the spot because it's in a remote place. So we're gonna drive the truck there and then drag the boat. And I don't think there's anything else I want to add. Jaden's outside. He's getting the boat ready. Besides that, I just gotta thank my sponsor, Official Statewear. They got some great gear. I'll leave them linked below. Check them out. They're awesome. Support me. Support them. Thank you. So yeah, let's get everything ready and go. It's too shallow. Is that thing still recording?
Yeah.
It's too shallow.
Yeah.
What are you looking at? What are you looking at?
I don't know.
Do you remember to put the plug in?
No.
Alright, whatever. We don't need it. We don't need it. Okay.
Alright.
We have our live well. And that's where we're gonna put all our fish in.
Don't ask where I got that. Don't ask where I got that, by the way.
Yeah. We
You don't want to know.
We may have put that hit out on Santa Claus. Okay, let's start fishing.
Should I just put this one in the live well?
I got one.
You got one? Oh, you got one. Hoist him up. You just unbox the rail or...
Yeah. Open it. I got 2 hooks in them. See guys, this is the key part about spinnerbait. You have to use a trailer hook, and you'll stick them twice, and then sometimes they won't get the regular hook, but you'll get them with a trailer hook. So that's a little tip for the spinnerbaits. Use a trailer hook. You'll get them every time, except when you lose them next to the boat. Yeah.
Like that.
Okay. So what do we got here? Rapala touchscreen tournament tail. That's top clutch. Jaden, what you got there?
I got a hat and a buff.
Hat and a buff.
That's nice.
Put it. Keep them.
Those are cool. Let's see what else we can find out there. I'm throwing a nice drop shot. Just running a spinnerbait pattern.
I'm actually throwing a crankbait now.
Hit myself.
This is scary because we're punching with crankbaits, so they get snagged a lot.
That's why you don't punch for the crankbait. Oh, you got him.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a toad. That's a
Give me that net. Give me that net. Give me that net.
Get him. You gotta get him. Bring him. Get it. Get in that net.
Yes.
Let's go. Unhook him. I'm gonna keep going.
We got ourselves a bass mafia tackle box. Let's slip that in there.
Should I go for boat flip? He's skin hooked.
You got him.
Yeah. Ow. Popped out of his mouth into my finger, into my hand. But I'm okay.
This one's so freaking close.
I got a monster. They're all around.
We're like sight fishing for these things.
We are.
It's almost like we can see them in plain sight.
I know, right? So weird. It's almost like we put them here. It's weird.
Yeah, it is weird. Oh, there we go.
Oh, you got a nice.
Boat flipping.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a monster dog. That's a toad, dude. I don't know how I even saw these guys.
Let's see what this is. Oh my goodness, this is a Daiwa Fuego spinning reel. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's actually that's a nice reel. That's a keeper.
I don't know how I even saw these things. Like,
I hope we don't have to cull any of these out. That's gonna be hard deciding which one I'm gonna cull
right?
out.
I
Oh.
feel like you have to go with the least value. Oh. I got another hat and buff. That's pretty sick. Look at that.
I think that's mine. Give me that. Actually no, give me that, but you put it in the thing. This trolling motor's kind of got us anchored here, which is really nice.
It does have us anchored very nice.
Comes in clutch. Got that one.
Have GPS lock.
Ouch.
Did you just hit yourself in the face?
No, I just stabbed the crap out of my thumb.
Nice.
I went through like 3 layers of skin. How is that not bleeding right now?
I don't know what this is.
That freaking hurts. Okay. What we got here?
I got it, whatever.
Ooh. Evergreen?
Boat flip.
Evergreen? Looks like a square bill. And Daiwa braid.
Oh, dude, I got some rod gloves. Sweet.
Cabela's gift card.
Oh, that's nice.
And $10 gift cards to Dick's. I'll take it.
Heads up.
Clutch move. I'll take that for sure.
Oh, I got him.
You got him?
He's pulling drag.
I'm gonna try and snag him, help you.
Oh, screaming drag. Let's tighten it up. Crank it down. I got this under control. Yeah. We got the same fish. You snagged it. Get the net. Get the net. Yes. Let's go. That's a monster.
It's a Mondo.
It's a Mondo. No way, dude. I got a whole lure making set.
That's
Whole
a
lure making kit.
that's a dub.
Where's it from?
Get him. Let's
What did you
go.
get?
I think that's all the fish
I
in
got
this
a
lake.
Netcraft fishing tackle making thing. I think we fished out the entire lake.
I think we did too. I got some rod gloves.
Oh, that's
Throw that in there.
We got a full sack. Even if we didn't catch the whole lake, we got. Oh, live well's full. We can't catch anymore.
Can't catch. Oh my good. Okay, well, guess that settles that then. Pull this up. Hey, fire up the 250. Oh, never mind. We don't have 250. Okay, guys, we're done fishing. We're gonna take this back to the boat launch. We are going to unload everything. We're gonna show you guys what we caught. Let's get doing it. Move. Thank you. Thank you. Wow, this food time's really deep. Okay.
Way back.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. That was fun. We're gonna go through everything a little bit more in detail, just so you can see. So, is this mine? These mine? Yeah,
Those
these
are
mine.
yours. Those are your rod gloves.
We got 3 rod gloves, all for 7-foot spinning rods. Although I don't have 3 7-foot spinning rods, so I don't know. I guess I'll throw them on my bait casters because I lost them on the highway. Yeah.
So what this is a lure making kit. I got a bunch of molds, some plastic, some dyes, some scents, and so let us know in the comments if you want to see a video out of this. Maybe a video of how to make these, how to do this, or if you just want to see us do it. So let us know. These are my rod gloves. Once again, for 3 7-foot spinning rods, which I do not. I don't have 3 7-foot spinning rods. I have 1 7-foot spinning rod, but I do not have 3.
Okay. So I got Cabela's gift card, and here's a Dick's Sporting Goods gift card. So I got this a hat and a buff for when it's hot out. Yeah, I got that. Then I got some 30-pound Daiwa J-braid. I think it's Daiwa. Yeah, Daiwa J-braid. And an Evergreen CR4 crankbait. That's. I think these are like $15 crankbaits. These are good crankbaits.
They are.
I've never seen them before, but I don't know. I'm excited to fish that one. Weight transfer system in a square well. That's not very common. That's cool though. So yeah, that's that.
And I got this nice pair of camo Crocs to put the boat on the trailer, so I can get in the water.
Yeah, that was an adventure.
Yeah, that was fun.
So
Could have used these before we
yeah. So I got a Bass Mafia.
Boss
Mafia. A Bass. I got a Bass Mafia. Whatever this is, a bait coffin. Yeah, this is gonna be good for terminal tackle because you see with terminal tackle, you don't have a lot. Well, you might have a lot of things, but they don't take up much space. So with this, you can literally just keep a bunch of different types because these compartments are like, you know, they're much smaller than the full size compartments. So yeah, I like this for terminal tackle. That's gonna be awesome.
Also car proof. So
they're
you can run this over.
They're also car proof. Yeah, you can run this over the car or boat,
and it's not gonna break.
Yeah,
that's great.
You could shoot it with a gun. I don't know.
Maybe.
Probably.
We didn't test it that. Oh, that's yours.
Oh, this is mine. Yep. See, I got a Daiwa Fuego spinning reel. Been wanting this because a lot of times I'm going fishing and I've got a bunch of bait casters, but I like finesse tactics, so I was trying to just get another spinning combo. So I've been looking forward to getting one of these. I got a reel. I'm gonna have to get some sort of rod in the next couple months. And yeah, that's gonna be good for all my finesse applications. So
yeah, and I got this buff
that.
in this hat.
Got a buff and a hat.
Yeah, that's good for when it's hot. Keep that sun off me.
Okay, let's see. Is that it? I think that might be it. Is that it?
Yes.
Okay. Rapala touchscreen scale. This is, I like this. You can keep like 8 weights. It has air temperature, memory for 8 weights. Also comes with a culling system and a clip. Clip all the fish so I don't have to stick them in the gills like that. And it's gonna be better for, it's just gonna be good. It's gonna be good. So, that's that. Is that everything?
Yes, that is everything in
All right.
Santa's secret sack. Don't ask where we got it.
Right.
But
we may or may not have put a hit on Santa Claus a couple years back. So if you didn't get any gifts past couple of years,
that would be why.
That would be why. Not really though.
It was our
We don't arrest us. We didn't put a hit out on Santa Claus. We hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you had a good Christmas. This video is a little bit late because I'm always behind on editing, but whatever. I'm getting a call, so with that, I'm gonna.
Why? Okay, it's done. Is it doozy? Completely ignore it. Completely ignore it.
I'm just gonna turn it off for now. I'll call him back after. So with that, we're gonna end this video. Hope you had a good Christmas. This video is late because I'm always behind on editing. But hope you had a good Christmas, and we will see you in the next video. Peace.
No matter what, do not look.
I'm like.
What? If they know anything about you, it'll be completely normal.
If they know anything about your dad, they won't think anything of it.